Hello and welcome to our presentation on the BA in Early Childhood. My name is Dr. Leah O'Toole and I'm the Programme Coordinator of this BA. To give you some background about the degree, it was developed in response to a really unique and important element of this degree is the partnership Early Childhood Ireland's ethos of child-centredness. The degree has a very much practice-based focus. The degree falls within level 8 on the national framework. So what would you actually learn on the degree? Each year is again in year 2, you'll have your reflective practice module. Of significant interest in year 3 is the dissertation. Okay, so I'm sure you're wondering what would be required of you should you. As a part-time degree programme, this is subject to fees. So as I mentioned when exploring the modules that you'll cover, placement, so the big bad assessment, this is an area of worry, I suppose. So let's figure out if this programme is for you. What are the criteria for application? International students then can apply through the International Office of Maynooth. So now that you have the details about what's required and how we go, it's genuinely such an interesting programme. Play is seen as the highest expression of human development in childhood. There are so many fascinating areas to explore around children's learning and development. You may have been thinking, well, the programme coordinator of the degree would say this, wouldn't she?